I'm slowly but surely discovering my lunch. It's cockroaches. Boxes full of them. Look. Look at them all. Fucking hell. Oh, my God. Oh, no. Look at that! Look. Mohammed. I mean, it's not even a pepper. It's rotten. Look at it.
I've eaten here.
Come on.
That was the salad I had. Lunchtime.
It's green.
It's beyond edible. Look
at
it.
It's rotten. Has a customer just been served a slice of tomato? Look. It's rotten.
Look at the colour of those chicken wings. I've eaten here.
My God. Look how crispy and curled up it is. It's oxidized. That's pork. Look at that. Oh, my God. Let me just show you something. Look how green and slimy it is. That's from Friday. Look. Look at that. That's from Friday. Look at my fingers. Look. There you go. That's from Friday. That's just over 3 months old. Jesus Christ almighty.
This shelf, when was the last time somebody actually wiped it down?
You eat that? What is that?
So God knows.
Raw food against cooked food? What on earth? What is that? Oh, for God's sake. Dating back when? What is that there? Just me defrosting again. Look at it. It sticks to your fucking hand. It's that rancid. Whoa, fucking hell. So, stuff's rotten. Mold, mouldy decay, rotten onions.
Yeah, they look like fucking camel's turd. It looks like something out of a fucking sci-fi movie.
Oh, my God. You eat that? Jesus. Ah. Fuck. Look, just here. There's like mold caked on. This thing hasn't been cleaned for years. Look, it's real mold. Even the bottle's moldy. Maggots. Oh, infested the maggots. Oh, God. Look! Look! What the fuck is this?